Okay, these options never go. Let it be as it is. Home. Home button consists of same copy paste. Scene. This I will explain you what it is. Guys, if you remember, initially I told in beyond, like, scene and slide both are same. Correct?
Yeah.
Whether I said, as of now, think scene and slide both are same. The actual difference comes now. A scene is the point which consists of many slides. A scene consists of many slides. Okay, now what do you mean by that? Okay, I am renaming this, guys. Okay, I am renaming it. I will say communication skills codes. That means this scene consists of all slides related to codes. What I'll do, I will add again a new slide. See, I am adding new slide. I will say this as quiz. This scene consists of only quiz. I'll add another slide and I will say this is the third slide, which is called as result slide. I will add only result slide. So this is course. Once the course is complete, course should navigate to quiz part. User should do quiz part, then result slide. Now you see, guys, one scene consists of many slides. Here I will say this is the welcome screen. I will add new slide. See, one scene consists of many slides. I will say basic blank. Welcome slide. Introduction. So likewise, so whatever content you have, you can add in each slide. Okay, now you see what is this, guys? Flag. It is called as starting scene. So whenever the course run, which scene you want to run first? You want to run course first, you want to start the quiz first, or you want the result slide? What do you want? That you can see. I want this quiz to be the first scene. See, guys, flag has changed to quiz. So that means whenever I run this, it will show the quiz first, not course. Guys, am I confusing you or you are able to follow?
No, we are trying to absorb because this is a new subject.
Yes. So yeah, that is what I mean. Wherever you feel you are unable to understand, or something that I am missing out, just stop me then and there itself. We will cover. Okay, no issues. Now I will show you. Okay, starting scene is about this. So this is called as question bank. So you can add all your assessment questions here, and you can when you create the quiz, you can directly upload the questions from here to here. Okay, what is quiz, guys? Quiz consists of number of questions, multiple choice question, true or false question, or rather any sort of questions. So what you can do while you preparing the storyboard, let's say your course have 50 questions. Okay, now out of 50 you just want only 10 questions, random questions. So you can add those 50 questions in question bank, and you can create 10 slides and just say randomly select 10 questions. So on the run, out of 50, system itself will choose any 10 questions. That you can do.
Wow, that's a great
yes
feature.
Yes. Or if you have only 10 questions, directly create the slide. That would also be okay. So that is related to question bank. Guys, blood bank, money bank, normal bank, same like question bank. It consists of all questions. What is this new slide? Now I am selecting this scene, new slide. I will go to basic slide. I am adding new slide. See, I have added new slide. Either I can add new slide by clicking on this pin icon, or I can add from here new slide. So okay, guys, this is very familiar with PowerPoint. If you know PowerPoint, you will know all those things. Home, insert. I have to explain. This tool is all about insert. Okay, I'm just explaining you the rest of the things. Now apply